Welcome to Student Study Center 10th class English level 2 worksheets గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం ఈ వీడియోలో level 2 worksheet number 17 గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం యూనిట్ 2 be reading the dear departed 2 segment 2 ఈ worksheet second unit be reading the dear departed 2 segment 2 నుండి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది ఈ వర్క్షీట్ లో టోటల్ 4 సెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి సెక్షన్ 1 is reading comprehension, section 2 is vocabulary and section 3 is editing and last section 4 is for home assignment. మనం ఈ వీడియోలో సెక్షన్ 1, సెక్షన్ 2 and సెక్షన్ 3 గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. సెక్షన్ 1, సెక్షన్ 2 and సెక్షన్ 3 లో కలిపి 20 మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. Section 1 Reading Comprehension. Question number 1 to 10. Read following extract from the Dear Departed 2. Section 1 is about reading comprehension. First మనకు ఒక passage ఇస్తారు. ఆ passage లో నుంచి మనకి 10 multiple choice questions ఇస్తారు. We have to answer that multiple choice question. Abel, suddenly recollecting, hey Amelia and Henry, what the devil did you mean by shifting my bureau out of my bedroom? Henry and Mrs. Slater are speechless. Did you hear me, Henry? Amelia? Mrs. Jordan, what bureau was that, Father? Abel, why? My bureau, the one I bought. Mrs. Jordan, pointing to the bureau, was it the one, Father? Abel, that's it. What's it doing there? A pause. The clock on the mantelpiece strikes 6. Everyone looks at it. Drat me, if that is not my clock too. What the devil's been going on in this house? A slight pause. Ben, well, I'll be hanged. Mrs. Jordan, rising, I'll tell you what's been going on this house, Father. Nothing short of robbery. Mrs. Slater, be quiet, Elizabeth. Mrs. Jordan, I'll not be quiet. Oh, I call it double-faced. Henry, now Elizabeth. Mrs. Jordan, and you too. You are such a poor creature that you must do every dirty thing she tells you. Abel, rising, thumping the table, damn it all. Will someone tell me what's been going on? Mrs. Jordan, yes, I'll not see you robbed. Abel, who's been robbing me? Mrs. Jordan, Amelia and Henry. They have stolen your clock and bureau. Working herself up, they sneaked into your room like thieves in the night and stole them after you were dead. Henry and Mrs. Slater, push, quiet, Elizabeth. Mrs. Jordan, I'll not be stopped. After you were dead, I say. Abel, after who was dead? Mrs. Jordan, you. Abel, but I am not dead. Mrs. Jordan, no, but they thought you were. A pause. Abel gazes round at them. Abel, oh, that's why you are all in black today. You thought I was dead? He chuckles. That was a big mistake. He sits and resumes his tea. Mrs. Slater, sobbing, Father. Abel, I did not take you long to start dividing my things between you. I'll tell you what I am going to do. Since your mother died, I have lived part of the time with you, Amelia, and part with you, Lizzie. Well, I shall make a new will, leaving all my bits of things to whoever I am living with when I die. How does that strike you? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ లో నుంచి 10 మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. Now we have to answer them. Now answer the following questions. Each question has 4 choices. Choose the correct answer. First question, the bureau was shifted out of the bedroom because బ్యూరోని అబెల్ మెర్రివెదర్ రూమ్ లో నుంచి కిందకి ఎందుకు షిఫ్ట్ చేశారు? Because they wanted to make it their own. Option D. Second question, Henry and Mrs. Slater are speechless. The word speechless in this sentence means that they are, the word speechless means unable to speak a single word. Option C. Third question, the bureau was actually bought by, a bureau actual ga everdi? The bureau was actually bought by Abel. Option A. Fourth question, was ready to reveal what was going on in the house. Mrs. Slater was ready to reveal what was going on in the house. Fifth question, be quiet, Elizabeth, says Mrs. Slater. She says so because she does not want her father to know what happened. Option A. Question number 6, I call it double-faced. The phrase double-faced in the sentence means to say one thing and do another. Option D. Seventh question, no, but they thought you were. The word they in the sentence refers to, here they refers to Amelia and Henry. Eighth question, that was a big mistake. The big mistake was, what was a big mistake here? The big mistake was thinking that Abel was dead. Option C. Ninth question, after his wife passed away, Abel lived part of the time with Amelia and part with Elizabeth. Option C. He lived some time with Amelia and some time with Elizabeth. Question number 10, after his death, Abel wanted to leave his bits of things to Amelia and Elizabeth, whoever he would be living with when he dies. Amelia, Elizabeth and Victoria, none of them. Option D, none of them. To vocabulary and grammar. Question number 11 to 15. Some words or phrases in the given passage are underlined and numbered. Follow the direction for each question and choose the correct answer. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ప్యాసేజ్ ఇచ్చారు, దాంట్లో 5 అండర్లైన్ చేసిన వర్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ ఈచ్ అండర్లైన్ చేసిన వర్డ్ పక్కన 11 to 15 నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ మనకి 11 to 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో వాళ్ళు ఎలా అయితే డైరెక్ట్ చేస్తారో అలా వాటికి మనం ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. Henry, now Elizabeth, Mrs. Jordan, and you too. Are you such a poor creature that you must do every dirt thing she tells you? Creature is underlined word and number 11. 11th question, the word creature in the sentence is used to refer, అక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ లో క్రియేచర్ అనే వర్డ్ ఎవరిని రిఫర్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేశారు? a person. Option C. ఇక్కడ మిసెస్ జార్దన్ హెన్రీని రిఫర్ చేస్తూ క్రియేచర్ అని అంది కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్ సి ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్, ఎ పర్సన్. And next underlined word is dirt, number 12. 12. Replace the underlined word with the right form. Dirt, you must do every dirt thing she tells you. ఇక్కడ మనకి dirt place లో dirty రావాలి. Option B. Abel, rising, thumping the table. Damn it all. Will someone tell me what's been going on? Underlined word is damn it all. Number 13. 13th question. The expression here damn it all is used to express. అక్కడ damn it all అనే ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ దేన్ని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేశారు? యాంగర్. ఆప్షన్ డి. మిసెస్ జార్దన్, yes, I will not see you robbed. Underline this word robbed. Number 14. Replace the underlined word with a word which means the same. Robbed అనే వర్డ్ కి సేమ్ మీనింగ్ వచ్చే వర్డ్ ఏంటి? ఆప్షన్ డి, steal. Abel, who's been robbing me? Mrs. Jordan, Amelia and Henry. They have stolen your clock and bureau. Working herself up, they sneaked into your room like thieves in the night and stole them after you were dead. Underlined word is bureau. Number 15. Replace the word with a suitable word. Underline చేసిన word is bureau. Bureau కి సేమ్ మీనింగ్ వచ్చే వర్డ్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? న్యూ డెస్క్, అల్మారా, సీక్రెట్ ఏజెన్సీ, రైటింగ్ డెస్క్. ఆప్షన్ బి అల్మారా. నెక్స్ట్ సెక్షన్ 3 ఎడిటింగ్. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ప్యాసేజ్ ఇచ్చారు. దాంట్లో 16 to 20 నంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. నంబర్ ఉన్న సెంటెన్స్లో మనకి ఒక ఎర్రర్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఎర్రర్ ఏంటో ఫైండ్ చేసి మనం సెంటెన్స్ని కరెక్ట్ చేయాలి. Question number 16 to 20. Read the following sentence. Each of the numbered sentence from 16 to 20 has an error. Choose the right answers to make it correct sentence. Ben, come, Mr. Merriweather, you have got to live with one of your daughters. Abel, number 16 sentence is, I'll tell you that I have got to do. ఈ సెంటెన్స్లో ఎర్రర్ ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ ప్లేస్లో మనకి వాట్ రావాలి. ఐ టెల్ యూ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ గోట్ టు డూ. ఆప్షన్ ఏ. 17th number. ఆన్ మండే నెక్స్ట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ గోట్ టు డూ 3 things. దిస్ ఈస్ ద సెంటెన్స్. ఈ సెంటెన్స్లో ఉన్న ఎర్రర్ ఇక్కడ మనకి థింగ్ ప్లేస్లో థింగ్స్ వస్తుంది. ఆన్ మండే నెక్స్ట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ గోట్ టు డూ 3 things. ఆప్షన్ డి. 18th number. I have got to go to the lawyer and alter my will. 18. ఈ సెంటెన్స్ లో ఉన్న ఎర్రర్ ఏంటి? ఎర్రర్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెంటెన్స్. సో ఆప్షన్ సి is the correct one. I have got to go to the lawyer and alter my will. Option C. Number 19. And I have got to go to the insurance office and paid my premium. Error in this sentence is ఇక్కడ మనకి paid place లో pay రావాలి. And I have got to go to the insurance office and pay my premium. Option A. Number 20. I have also got to go to St. Philip's Church and gets married. Question number 20. And error is gets place లో మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? Get రావాలి. I have also got to go to St. Philip's Church and get married. Option B. Worksheet number 18 we will discuss in next video.